Andrew, how was you keep your party locked back down the country?
Leave that alone.
Alright, bro, God. I choose to argue about with that woman named Maxine and inject yourself with water on TV and talk about a vaccine.
Leave that alone. Go talk about something else.
Alright, when we talk about that big bad party when name Rhythm. When we say Rhythm, we not talk about tropical rhythm. To me, to this, September the 26th, which party I keep? Panama City. When the girl come out with them sexy body and them stiff titty. Me I talk about big bad event, hosted by Chabas, performance by Alkaline, Angela Pre-Soul, 150 at the gate, forward early, dog and late. You don't know a club vibe, so a beer vibes.
Somebody say party later, jump on the wang wang. I mean, I know nasty nigga.
You think you slick? Take my money and I take this dick. Like you a tell and I talk bossy. Go on for me things them now, quick. You think you slick? Take my money and I take this dick. Like you a tell and I talk bossy. Go on for me things them now, quick. You think you slick?
In general, the vaccines appear to be very, very safe. For those who hold conspiracy theories and other concerns, today we seek to appeal to you, to say there is a public interest that you should pay attention to, as well as your own personal interest, and seek to balance the two and see which is more important. It is, in my opinion, more important that the country achieves herd immunity. It is in the achievement of herd immunity safely that we will be able to dispense with these non-clinical measures, which have had a devastating impact on our economy, and which are also used in many instances as a means to tear the society apart. What do I mean by this? Whenever we have to impose some form of a lockdown, whenever we have to impose restrictions on the right of movement, freedom of gathering, we see a growing pushback in the society against this. And the pushback would come in the form of the government doesn't care about the livelihoods of poor people because we are closing down the parties and closing down the dances and shutting down businesses at a certain hour. That conversation is carried right through the society without any form of acknowledgement that some of the very people who we are trying to protect, that they are dying. The deaths are not just in a certain segment of the population, older, more vulnerable people. We are now seeing a trend of deaths in a younger segment of the population, which is now a cause for even greater concern. So, you know, in managing the pandemic, yes, we pay attention to what the science says, but we also have to pay attention to the social science, if you want to put it that way, how people are reacting.